Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the DPF exhaust pressure sensor on this Mitsubishi Outlander. This particular model is 2013 and the location for the DPF exhaust pressure sensor is just there. It's secured by two 10mm bolts. In order to get to the bolts, we'll have to remove the inlet pipe coming out of the air filter. Also we'll remove this engine cover. There might be some fixing under the cover here to remove the pipe, so just gonna remove these 10mm bolts. That's gonna allow the cover to come off. There we go, that's the cover out of the way. Right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this vacuum pipe, and also gonna unclip some of the cables from here so that we can remove this pipe. Also gonna remove this clip on this side. So just gonna pull the pipe off here. So now I'm gonna undo this clamp to remove the pipe from here. There we go. So just gonna pull the pipe off. There we go. So now we're gonna remove this side of the pipe. This side of the pipe is going into the turbo. Also gonna unclip these harnesses. And one here. Just gonna pull the pipe. There we go. So that's the pipe out of the way. Right, so we're going to use a 8mm socket to remove the bolt which is securing the DPF pressure sensor. It's supposed to be secured by 2 bolts, but bottom bolt is missing. There we go. So this is the DPF pressure sensor. Right, so just gonna use a flathead screwdriver to press this clip here, and that should allow the connector to come off. Just gonna remove this clip first. Just gonna remove this clip as well. Right, so just gonna pull the pipes off. Okay, so if they don't come off, then you can rest the sensor here like this onto the turbo, and then you can pull it. Okay, so in my case they just came off easily. Here comes the new sensor, like for like. We got this from eBay for £20. Okay, so just gonna fit the sensor pipes. So the big pipe here, small one here, you can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with these. Just gonna bring the clip forward. So just gonna secure these pipes. There we go, that's the small one. That's the big one. Just gonna fit the connector So the way connector gets fitted is like this. There we go, that's nice and tight. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna skew the sensor like this. 1/8mm bolt to go here. It's supposed to be 2 bolts, but one is missing. Shouldn't be a problem. Won't be good enough. Right, here we go friends. I hope this video is gonna help you sort the issue with your car. Thank you very much for watching the video.